All right, it's been quite some time since I did a video. Moved into a new house. At least I got some garage space here. So what's up now is I got some 215 trick flow heads that I stupidly ordered with steel retainers. So we're gonna upgrade to titanium, which I've already done 2 of them. And this is just a video to show you this cool little tool that I picked up from BTR, which that's where I got my trick flows from. I think they milled them to like 63 cc's as well. Anyhow, the cool thing about with BTR too is you have metal guides, power metal guides. That way I can reuse my stock 1.6 rocker arms. Okay, I found it. All right, so this is the part number. This is what you will get, and this is how it goes together. And let's get to it. All right, first I put this guy on, like so. It's the bottom piece. This is not easy doing one-handed. This guy. Oh, and by the way, at least in the video, at least on the instructions, they say to do everything by hand and then by ratchet. Makes sense. Whenever you're dealing with aluminum, you don't want to cross-thread anything. All right, we got that on. By the way, this is a 15mm nut, and these are 13s. I just kind of tighten them with a little box wrench.